Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from AlexMercedCoder.com. Now, last time we were working with functions, you learned about what was concatenation. So that's basically this whole first name, plus. You add strings together by just using plus sign. That can sometimes, when you're talking about a lot amount of text and a lot of variables that you're mixing together, that can get quite annoying. So let's make some variables. Let name equal Alex. Let age equal 34. Okay, and then let's say we want to create a string, or I'm going to console log. Okay, a string. Now I'm not going to use my normal quotation or single quotes. I'm going to use what's called a backtick. Okay, now backtick, you'll find those right above your tab key. Now the reason is we're going to use something called interpolation. Interpolation allows you to plop your variables in the middle of your text without having to do all this plus and this string and that string. No need for concatenation because you have the option of interpolation. So what happens, as long as you wrap your text in backticks, then I can do stuff like this. I can be like, I'll use a $sign and then curly brackets, and I can use the variable name. Name is the age of $sign age. So basically what's going to do is that when it runs it, it's going to replace that where you see the $sign name, $sign age, it's going to replace that with those variables. Okay, so let's see if that all works the way we want it to work. Save. Alex is the age of 34. Okay, so you could technically, this is great for like doing like a Mad Libs type of game where you just type in the whole paragraph, collect the variables from the user, and just plop them in the sentence. So that's a cool thing, but that's the only thing you can do with strings. Okay, other things you can do with strings is that, let's say I want to take Alex and split it up into individual letters and put it in reverse. Strings have some built-in methods because strings are at the end of the day an object. So I can do name dot split, and then in parentheses I have to choose how I'm going to split it. Am I splitting it every time there's a space? Am I splitting it every time there's a dash, comma? I'm going to say, hey, every letter. You'll see there's just every letter. There's not a space, nothing. Just split it. Okay. Now I want to store that in a variable. So we're going to say let name split equal name.split. Okay, and just to show you that we created an array, let's do console.log name split. Save. See, and it created an array of the letters, which I can then reverse. So I can do name split dot reverse, which reverses the array. And then I can just say new name, backwards name, we'll just say back name, equals name split, and then I'm going to join it, dot join, but I want to join it every letter. Okay, so again, like join, it's going to put something in between each thing. So it could put like a comma between each letter, a space between each letter, or a space between each item, depending on how you split it originally. So for example, if I had split it up into words by saying, hey, split it up by every space, then I'm going to say, hey, you know what, join it, put a space in between each item. But here, I just put them all together. So I'm going to put nothing in there again. So just two quotation marks showing that join them together. Don't put anything in between them. Okay. So let's see here. Now save. And then when I console log back name, that should, oh, I got to put that in parentheses. Log back name, that should give me my name in reverse. So let's test that out. Yep, there it is. There's my name in reverse. So there's all sorts of cool array and string methods. So yes, what you would want to Google array methods, string methods to learn all the cool little tricks you can do with strings and arrays. Objects don't really have much in the way of methods other than the ones you build into them. And then we'll get into classes in the next video.